Now, in our previous lessons, we have learned how to pronounce the a, e, o, and u group. And did you notice, actually they are the 5 vowels in English. And today we are going to learn the 6th vowel sound, which is also the last vowel sound. And let's start. And the last vowel sound in pinyin is yu. Yu. And basically it's just u with 2 little dots on the top. The yu sound doesn't really exist in English, but it's really not that difficult to pronounce. Let me demonstrate to you how to pronounce this sound. In order to pronounce the yu sound, you first need to pronounce the e sound. And then you start rounding your lips until your lips are in a position where you need to make the u sound. Okay, let's start. See, I just made the yu sound. And my mouth shape, yu, is actually in the same position as the u sound. So when I say yu, u, yu, u, do you see my mouth shape change? No, right? Then what changed? The only thing that's changed is what's going on inside my mouth. It's where I position my tongue. When I pronounce the u sound, my tongue is back, but not at the very front of the teeth. But when I pronounce the yu sound, it's almost like I'm making an e sound, but just with the u mouth shape. And it's almost like my tongue is at the front of the teeth and trying to squeeze the sound out. Yu, yu, yu. And you really don't open your mouth that wide. Yu, yu. Now you can do it too, right? And when yu sounds stand alone, it's written as yu, yu. And now you say, wait. Where do the 2 little dots on the u go? Alright, let me tell you a little pinyin rule, okay? It's really exciting. Well, when J, Q, X, and Y, which are pronounced as Ji, Qi, Xi, Yi, don't worry about, the pronunciation of it because we haven't learned yet. We're going to learn them in the future. But when Ji, Qi, Xi, Yi are combined with yu sound, when you write it down, it's spelled as Ju, Qu, Xu, and Yu. And they are pronounced as Ju, Chu, Xu, Yu. And now you're saying, that's very confusing. What if I want to make the u sound after Ji, Qi, Xi, Yi? And then how do I know if it's the u sound or the yu sound? No, well, don't worry about it, because between yu and u, there can be only one sound that's made after Ji, Qi, Xi, Yi, and that is yu. So on the other hand, if you ever see Ju, Qu, Xu, and Yu, and you should know that u after JQXY is pronounced as yu, you need to mentally add 2 little dots on top of u. Wow, so complicated. I hope that I'm not really confusing you too much, because this actually confuses lots of English speakers. You're probably saying, then why do the creators of pinyin do this to us? Well, to be honest, I don't know the reason either, but I guess, they figure, the sound that's after Ji, Qi, Xi, Yi cannot be u. It can only be yu. They might as well save some ink and get rid of the 2 dots. Well, that's just my theory. Alright, in our next class, we're going to continue to learn the yu group sounds and do some exercises. Okay, I will see you next time. Take care. 再见.